Hello, bonjour and bonjour everyone. I'm Maggie from the Fort Frances Library and welcome to this week's Craft Club tutorial. I wonder who that could be.
I'm here!
Hiya, Cody. We were just about to start this week's craft. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, everybody! I'm Cody, your lovely librarian's assistant. I like to get stuff for crafts and make them too. I just love making crafts.
Speaking of stuff, Cody, what's that you have in your paw?
Oh, I was just running to my cave to get some foam.
Sorry, Cody, we won't be using foam this week.
Oh, gee, not again. So, what are we making today?
Today we're going to be making yarn-wrapped bugs inspired by the yarn-wrapped butterflies on Joan. I just love butterflies, especially monarch ones.
I like dragonflies. They taste really good.
You can't eat these ones, Cody. Well, if we're all ready, let's get started. In this bag, you will find one instruction sheet for the pipe cleaners, one pipe cleaner, one string, one cardboard cutout of the wings, one container of paint, 4 Pom Poms, or 1 if you have the Ladybug. We have 2 in this one because one's for me and one's for Cody. Some extra material you will need is a paintbrush, some glue, and some tape. Set everything else aside other than the cardboard wings and the paint. I'll be showing you how to do the ladybug, and Cody will show you how to do the dragonfly and butterfly. Take your paintbrush and then open up your paint. Dip in the paintbrush and start applying the paint all over the ladybug. Remember, the thinner the layer, the faster it'll dry. Next up, we're going to be putting our antenna on our bug. Take the pipe cleaner and the pipe cleaner pattern, and then start to follow the pattern with the pipe cleaner. When you're all done, we're going to be taking the antennas and gluing it to the wings. Now, take your glue and your paintbrush. So there's a few ways we can do this. We can either dip it in and stick it on the back of the wings, we could dip it in and stick it on the front of the wings, or we could dip it in and stick it in between the cardboard. I'll put my pipe cleaner on the side that my Pom Pom's going to be on. So, dip your glue and apply it to the pipe cleaner. Then stick the pipe cleaner onto the side you want it to be on. You're going to have to hold it down for a few seconds to make sure it sticks. Alrighty, now I'm done. I'm going to add some extra glue to make sure it stays. And there you go. Set it aside to dry. Alrighty, once that's done drying, take your string and your tape. Or if you want, you can use the glue and the paintbrush. You can either use glue to attach the string to the wings or the tape. I think I'm going to use tape for this one because it's a lot easier and it makes the craft a lot quicker. So, take a little bit of tape and attach it to the end of the string. Then attach the tape and the string to an edge of the wings. I think I'll put it right here. Then, once it's all fully attached, you can start wrapping. You can wrap the bug a few different ways. I'm wrapping mine at random, but you can do yours in a line, you can do yours diagonally, you can do it however you like. Once you've run out of string, take your tape or your glue and attach it to the bug. You can hide it under string so that you don't see the end, or you could just leave it as is. There we go. Put everything away and bring out your pom-pom, your glue, and your paintbrush. We're going to be taking the pom-pom and sticking the end of it onto the bug. Now you could use a paintbrush to apply it to the end of the pom-pom, but I have an easier way. Take the pom-pom and dip it right into the glue. Then just attach it to the bug. Try to get it as close as the antennas as you can. Then, press it down and hold it there for a few seconds. There you go. Now it's all done. Next, we'll be showing you how to make the Butterfly and Dragonfly with Cody. Take your glue and your paintbrush and your string. Oop, it's all tangled. There we go. Alrighty, so take your glue and your paintbrush. Then dip the paintbrush into the glue. And then glue the string down onto the cardboard. You can pick an edge, just like how the ladybug was, or you could put it in the center. You can also do this with the butterfly for both ways. Now, set it aside to dry. Oh, I actually forgot that Cody didn't put in his antennas. This one we're not going to bend, we're going to put it in straight down, and we're actually going to find a hole to put it in. Take your glue, and then dip the end into the glue. That way, it coats everything while it goes down into the cardboard. Just like that. Then leave it to dry. Afterwards, you can start wrapping it. Cody wrapped this. Doesn't it look good? Alrighty, so now we're actually going to put on the pom-poms. There are 4 compared to the 1 for the ladybug. There's 1 big one and 3 little ones. You can arrange them in any order you want, but Cody wants it small, big, small, and small. Put the pom-poms down the middle, and then take your glue. Using the trick that we used for the ladybug, just take the ends and dip them into the glue. Once it's coated on the back, attach it to the bug. And all done! I thought this was a really relaxing craft. How about you, Cody?
I thought it was really fun. I'm still sad I didn't get to eat the dragonfly, though.
Well, next time I'll bring in some dragonfly snacks for you to eat when you're hungry. If you want, take a picture of your craft and send it to us on our Facebook page, or bring it into the library for us to display it.
What? We can't be done already. I wanted to do more.
I'm sorry, Cody. That's it for this week's craft.